Okay, so I'm going to show you a method Mr. Higgins showed us, which is called prison break. And don't mind all the noise in the background. That's my husband. He's been watching crap all day. So anyway, okay. The original problem is 9x minus 3 squared equals 80. And what you need to do first, of course, is get rid of this square root, right? Okay, so you need to take the square root of both to get rid of this. So now you have to find the square root of 80, which 80 doesn't have an even square root. So step 1 is to take this 80 and break it into its primes. Okay, 8 times 10 equals 80. Prime numbers are numbers that can only be divided by themselves in 1. Okay, so 8 breaks into 4 and 2. 2 is a prime, but you can keep dividing 4. 4 goes into 2 and 2. 2 and 5. Okay? Alright, okay, so now we have this. Step 2. Alright, so this 80 now, since we're trying to find the square root, we're doing square root, which is basically this invisible 2, with the 80. But now, okay, prison break is sort of like, think about prisoners. In prisons, usually the Latinos hang out together, the white people hang out together, the black people hang out together, and they don't mix. So we're separating all the primes. So there's, how many guys? There's 4 2's. So you do 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. Okay, these are all of our primes that make up 80. So this is actually 80. Okay, in prison break, what we're going to do is you've got, see this number 2 here? That means that they're going to try to break out of this prison. All these numbers want to break out of this prison. But the 2 says you have to go in groups of 2. So these 2 can go in a group of 2. These 2 can go in a group of 2. But this 5, he's alone, so he can't get out because you need 2 guys, at least 2 guys to get out. So these 2 are going to dig out. One's going to get shot, but the other one's going to survive, and he's going to get out. Okay? So there's a 2. Same thing with these guys. Always, whenever, only one will get out of each group. So 1 gets shot, 1 gets out. So now I'll rewrite it. You've got a 2 times 2 outside of the prison, and all that's left is this 5. So you take that 5 and you put it back under there. Okay, and what is the 2 and 2? That makes 4. 4 square root of 5. So that's how this 80 turned into 4 square root of 5. Okay? So now we're rewriting the original problem, except now this square root is gone. So now it's 9x minus 3 equals, and now this 80 being square rooted turns into this. 4 square root of 5. So that's how we got to that. And then I can't remember how to do the rest of the problem, but anyway, that's how your teacher got to that. Okay? All right.